Alright, time to get back flying again. Been so sick lately. I was thinking of sending my friend this motion controller thing. I got the Avata 2. Thought I'd give it a try with the Neo, since that's what I was going to send it to him for. I like using the twin joysticks on the regular controller, so I haven't used the motion controller too much. And I've never tried it with the Neo, so let's see how that goes. It was pretty responsive with the Avata, but the Neo is not the Avata. Hard to remember how to use this thing. I'm just too used to using a regular joystick controller with the two sticks, a two-stick controller. Not this weird. A lot of people on the internet call it the dildo controller. Man, this is really slow. Oh, you know what it is? I don't even have this set on sports mode yet, so it is running at half speed. I'm trying to bring this thing back in there and figure out which one of these buttons actually turns it back and forth to sports mode. It's so weird controlling a drone like this. I mean, come on. You need two joysticks the way God intended. With this weird Nintendo controller thing. I don't know. Pretty foolproof. I think it'll work great for him because he doesn't know how to use the two joysticks, so yeah, I suppose it's kind of natural feeling. I don't know. It doesn't feel natural once you get used to using two joysticks. Alright, got it turned on to sports mode. So this is as fast as the Neo can go with the motion controller. I couldn't help but notice that when it's in the settings, the vertical speed is real low. So it's making it very hard to go up. 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 Oh my god. Why is it so slow? It is not that slow when you use the regular remote controller. Just this motion controller. It doesn't want to go up. Hardly at all. Even when you use a little joystick to force it up and down, it doesn't really want to go up and down that fast. Oh, they go side to side just fine. A little hard to skim the roofs with this thing. It just feels stiff. Of course, I guess when you take the time and effort to develop the muscle memory to use two joysticks for control, using a single controller just seems weird. Bring this down again, and you know what? I think I'm going to do some regular flying. This is just too weird. Put my little birdie back down on the ground. Carefully. Probably should have put it into normal mode first. Don't care. I want back my regular controller. And easy enough to switch these things out. Alright. Back in the air for real control. Oh, it's been like a week of just being sick off my ass. I have not gotten out and flown at all. Terrible. Like not being able to breathe. I gotta take to the skies, baby. I gotta take to the skies! Well, I'm gonna take slightly off the ground. You get a little bit of sky. See now, this is feeling natural. I mean, given the last week of being barely conscious, passed out on my couch, wheezing, I'm a little rough. Not that skilled to begin with, so, oh, geez. Yeah, Neo still doesn't turn well. Alright, get a little elevation, check out the surroundings. These clouds are awful pretty. Sheesh, barely managed to get out in time before twilight. Alright, take her down into the branches. A little look-see around, practice my orbit some more. See, as long as I think you factor in the fact that it turns like a bus, you can get a decent orbit out of it. Alright. flow across the roofs. Oh, very unimpressive. Those sensors on the bottom do not want you to go fast when you get close to anything under it. Makes it so hard on the Neo to like skim the earth, because anytime there's anything under it, it wants to slow down. Get a little high thing, keep the speed going. It stops turning off sports mode every time I get close to the ground. Man, I do not want to lose this drone in those little branches. It'd stay up there too. It's light enough weight, it would stay on the tiniest branch and the tallest tree forever. Skimming the rooftops. Ah, so nice to be in the air again. Man, jonesing for a flight. Gotta get my fix. Alright. I'm gonna bring it down. Adjust my view so I don't land on the roof. Nice and smooth, baby. Alright, I guess that'll be enough for today, because there isn't hardly any more daylight left. I'll pack it up and get another flight in tomorrow. Oh, other one. Other joystick. The one that's closest to me. Yeah, there we go. How do I keep forgetting which one of these joysticks lands? As long as I remember which one flies, I'm good to go. Alright, enough of that for today.